we're solving problem 9 from the 2025 AIME2. There are n values of x in their interval 0 is less than x is less than 2 pi, where f of x equals sine of 7 pi times sine 5x equals 0. For t of these n values of x, the graph of y equals f of x is tangent to the x-axis. Find n plus t. For this problem, well, we have these three equations here, right? And we know that for this to be equal to 0, what's inside of this sign has to be equal to something positive integer k times pi. So therefore, we can say that if this is 0, 7 pi times sine of 5x is equal to k pi. Notice the pi's cancel out there. So we have sine of 5x is equal to k over 7. Now, for the solutions, right? So first, well, we see that in this case, sine of 5x, well, 1 is less than or equal to sine of 5x, and that is less than or equal to 1. And we know that k is between negative 7 and positive 7. Then the number of solutions here, well, we can just start counting, right? So what we want to count is just k's, right? We want to count number of ways, or no, so it says for t of these n values of x, the graph is tangent to the x. So here in this case, we're solving for n. So we have values k is negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 1, 1, 2, to 6. These each have 10 solutions each. And since there's 12 numbers here, 10 times 12 is 120. We have the extremes. K is negative 7, 7. Each of these have 5 solutions each. So 2 times 5 is 10. And k is equal to 0 yields 9 solutions. Altogether, 120 plus 10 plus 9 is 139. Therefore, n equals 139. However, there are some values that do not satisfy this. So in order for in order for it to be tangent to the x-axis, the sign has to be the same. But there are cases where the sign is not the same, the positive and negative sign in front. So it means that when it's not tangent, one thing is above positive and one is negative. And these values have k is negative 6 to positive 6. And then we also have negative 7 and 7. So this is 2 off. So therefore t is 10. There's 2 off of these. So if we have 10 in our t and our n, we can simply sum for our answer, which is 139 plus 10, which is 149, and is our answer for this problem.